Hello again. First of all, I'm going to say congratulations, because if you're watching and you subscribe to my channel, this is the final lesson on phonics. You now know all of the single letter phonic sounds, so well done. Let's look at today's lesson. Final sounds. Boot. Boot. The letter is B. B. Now we mustn't confuse it with this sound. P. Unvoiced. P. B. Voiced. B. Okay? Next sound. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. What is? Kangaroo. The sound K, unvoiced. K. Jumping jack. Jumping jack. From the box, he jumps up to the top. Jumping jack. The sound J. J. You try. J. Yak. It's an animal. Yak. And I use the horns to form the letter Y. Down one horn, up the other horn, and around his chin. Yak. The letter sound Y. Y. So your tongue at the back, up. Y. Good. Last one. Last consonant. Exercise. Exercise. The little boy. Exercise. Exercise. The sound. X. Really difficult to do that sound. You put the letter K and S together. So quickly. Ks, ks, ks. No vowel in between. Two letters. The K and S. Ks. That's the sound. Ks. We're going to do that sound later doing our words. The last vowel sound you're going to learn is O. Orange. Oh, yes, we've done it. Well done. Now, you know my lessons, if you have them. I always do some words when we're learning different letter sounds. So here's our words today. B. O. X. 3 sounds. You say them as I press those sound buttons. B, O, X. Bo, box, box, box. Good. Here's the next one. K, it. Your turn. I press the button, you say the sound. Good, you can remember that one. Itchy insects. Itchy insects. It. Here's the letter sounds. K, it, t, k, k. J, A, Your turn. Say the sounds. Well done. Let's try it together. J, A, Can you blend that word together? J, a, ja, ja, jam, jam. Well done. One more word left. It's with our y sound. Y, e, s. Your turn. Say the sounds. Well done. Let's blend that sound together to make a word. Y, e, s. Yeah, yeah, s. Yes. And that's what I'll say to do. Yes. Well done. Thanks for watching today. Hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.